Did you know what is the last story of Pride? It is King of the Birds. The date's being set, announced the bird finches, all of up Twitter, filling the tree branches with their chatter. The date croaked Jackdaw for the contest, replied the swans. Zeus has summoned all the birds to meet on the last day of the month. He will choose the most beautiful of us all to be king of the birds. When that day dawned, the birds flew down from the sky and met in the meadows to prepare themselves for the contest. Jackdaw was there too, and as he gazed around, his heart sank. The other birds were dazzling. They had long curling tail feathers, shining crests, wings that flashed blood red, bronze, and azure blue. And what am I? Thought Jackdaw. Black, plain black. But as the other birds began to parade around, his eager brain was busy brewing a plan. The ground, he realized, was littered with feathers, brilliant and patterned as he could never hope for his own to be. And so well, the others primped and preened. Jackdaw snatched up their fallen feathers in his sharp beak. Then he hopped behind a bush and tucked the stolen feathers between his own. When he emerged, swaggering and triumphant, the other birds cried out. Jackdaw shone like the sun. He shimmered like a rainbow. He dazzled like the summer sea. Who is that? They gasped. Before Jackdaw could reply, Zeus drew up in his chair root and looked down at the bird. They ruffled their feathers and fanned their tails up. Red pairs of beady black eyes pleaded, "Choose me, choose me!" Yeah. Zeus raised his arm and pointed at Jackdaw. "The splendid creature shall be king of the birds. He is the most beautiful by far." Then Zeus, satisfied that his job was done, sped on his way. The other birds gawked and gasped. "Who is it?" they asked. "Who did he choose? We've never seen this bird before." They stalked up to Jackdaw and peered at him with narrowed eyes. "How odd," said Peacock. "He has tail feathers just like mine, and those on his wing are mine," quacked Ferret. "I know who it is," cried the cockatoo. "Wicked old Jackdaw! You've stolen our feathers and our crown." Jackdaw backed away. "Let's get our feathers back," said a furious finch. And all at once the birds descended on Jackdaw, jabbing at him with their beaks. "Stop!" cried Jackdaw. "Stop, stop!" But no one listened. And when they had finished, Jackdaw had been stripped of his stolen cloak of glory. The mangled feathers lay on the ground, and Jackdaw once again was just a Jackdaw. Moral: you can't hide who you really are.